Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files with ShareFile, beginner guide step by step. To begin transferring files with ShareFile, first, navigate to the ShareFile website in your preferred web browser. Log into your ShareFile account using your email address and password. Once logged in, you will see the main dashboard with your files and folders. To upload a file, locate the Upload button, usually found at the top of the screen. Click on Upload and select whether you want to upload a single file or multiple files. If you choose to upload a folder, ensure that the folder is compressed into a zip file beforehand. After selecting the files, click on the Open button to start the upload process. While the files are uploading, you may view the progress in the Upload dialog box. Once the upload is complete, your files will appear in the dashboard. To transfer files to another user, click on the file you want to share. Then, select the Share option that appears. In the Sharing dialog, enter the email addresses of the recipients you want to share with. You can add a message or personalize the note accompanying the shared files. Make sure to adjust the permission settings if you want to allow editing or just sharing. After setting the permissions, click on the Send button. The recipients will receive an email notification with a link to access the shared files. To verify the status of your shared file, return to the dashboard and locate the shared file. Hover over the file and click the information icon to see sharing details. If you need to stop sharing a file, open the file, click on the Share option, and select Revoke Access. This will ensure that to download a file from ShareFile, find the file in your dashboard and click on it. Select the Download option to save the file to your device. To organize your files, create folders by clicking the New Folder button. Name your folder and drag files into it to keep your dashboard tidy. Regularly check your sharing settings for all your files to ensure proper access. By following these steps, you can easily transfer files using ShareFile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.